Okay, so from this video onwards, we are going to see operators that are used in Python. So first of all, what is operators in Python? So operators are basically used to do operations on numeric values in Python, right? So there are certain operators, types of operators. One is arithmetic operators. Then there is logical operators. Then there is com comparative operators, and then there is assignment operators. So there are various types of operators. So in this video we are going to start with these arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators are basically those maths related operators that we use to perform on numeric values like addition, subtraction, multiplication, all those stuff, right? So let's see them one by one, right? So I'm going to use this directly. We can do this in a this arithmetic operation, right? So I'm doing addition here. So as you can see here, I'm getting the result 10 plus 12 and 22. So let's see the subtraction here. 10 minus 5. In fact, let's see all the 4 together. 10 into 4, print 12 divided by 4. So here I just did addition, subtraction, multiplication and division here, and I'm getting result of all 4, right? And you can also do not just in integer but also in floating point number as well. If I just do this like this, I can use this in floating point as well, right? Okay, so you can also use variable here as well. If I create two variables, a is equal to, let's say, 12 and b is equal to, let's say, 4, I guess. Yeah, I can use those variable here as well because they are of numeric data type, integers, so I can use them. And as I said, you can use those you can perform those arithmetic operations on numeric values only. It should be either integers or float. You can't perform those on string, right? You will get error if you do that. Let me show you. In fact, let's just put the variables here and let's see that. If I have some string value here, let's say I get g here, and what is going to happen here? You're getting error, unsupported operand type, right? It should be integer operand. So here the symbol that we use, right? This is called operator. This addition here, this subtraction, these are operators, and the value or the variable. Before this we have seen operations directly on value. Now we are seeing on variables. So the value or variable that we use in that operation are operators, right? And this is symbol that we use, the operator we use is operator, right? Okay, so if we just run this, okay, so we are getting the results. So you can use values or variables which are numeric, holding numeric data, right? There are of course other operators as well, arithmetic operators. Let's in fact let's see directly. Let's print this, and if I just comment out for a moment, and there is this 2 into, there is exponential operator. So what this is going to do is going to multiply 2 3 times, raise 2 power of 3. It is going to be, that's going to happen here, exponential operator. There is also another operator which is called floor division. Sorry, it's division. If I use this 2 time, this division symbol, sorry, I supposed to use it here, and this is going to be the floor division. So if we use only division here, we will getting number in decimal. But this floor division, what is going to happen, that it just make it to the nearest whole number. So it's just make it 3 and remove the decimal places. That's a floor division. We will get the whole number. And the last one here is modulus operator, right? So if we get the remainder here, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9, then 1 is remaining, so that we get 1 as a reminder, right? If we have something like this, 14 and divide by modulus by 3, then we'll get 2 as a reminder, because 12 is divisible by 3 and remaining 2 are the remainder. Okay, so that's basically the arithmetic operators here, right? So in the next video we are going to see the assignment operators in Python.